Think you know Wednesday Addams? Let's put your creepy, kooky brain to the test with questions from both Season 1 and the all-new Season 2. But before we start, a huge shout out to our legends who commented on our last videos. You are the real heroes of this channel. Want your name here? Just drop your favorite movie in the comments and I'll feature you in our next video. All right, grab your black coffee and let's get into it. What's Wednesday's last name? Addams, the most gothic family name in TV history. Where does Wednesday study? Nevermore Academy, home to outcasts, sirens, and plenty of secrets. What's the name of the hand? Thing, the sassiest severed hand you'll ever meet. In Season 2, which friend returns to Nevermore? Enid Sinclair, her colorful werewolf bestie, is back. Would you rather never watch movies again or comment your favorite movie? Your call. Let's see those pics in the comments. Who plays Wednesday Addams? Jenna Ortega, master of the deadpan stare. How many episodes are in Season 2? Eight episodes, split into 2 binge-worthy parts. What power does Wednesday have? Psychic visions that give her flashes of the past and future. What is Wednesday allergic to? Color, especially anything too bright or cheerful. What pet does Wednesday keep? A pet scorpion named Nero. Who is this? You got it! It's Agnes! What instrument does Wednesday play? Great! The cello, and she makes it sound hauntingly beautiful. In Season 2, Wednesday investigates what? A secret lowest experiment involving Nevermore's outcasts. Who is this? Bianca! What's Wednesday's favorite color to wear? Black, of course. Who is Pugsley to Wednesday. Her younger brother, frequent victim of her unusual affection. What's the name of the family's butler? Lurch, tall, grim, and always there when needed. What creepy creature becomes friend/sidekick in season 2? Slurp, a lovable, regenerating zombie. Who plays the new principal, Barry Dort? Steve Buscemi, bringing quirky charm to Nevermore. Which artist plays teacher Rosaline Rotwood? Lady Gaga. Yes, she's joined the Addams world. Who is this? Yeah, it's Morticia. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to drop your favorite movie for a shout out in the next video. If you enjoyed this creepy little quiz, hit like, subscribe, and binge another mystery right here on your screen. See you in the next one.